In this 5 minutes photography tutorial, I'm going to show you how to shoot this composition. Sweetened milk, Elmer's glue, whipping cream, real cream, and some fake ice. 3 strobes and candlelight, and the image. This is a short version of the full workshop that we had for Pro Club members at 40G Pro Club. If you want to see everything, all the details, go to 40G and watch it there. What do you need? You need to mix Elmer's glue, sweetened condensed milk, real milk in the cocktail, okay? Then you need to have some ice, fake ice and nice glass. Clean it if needed. Put some ice in it. Oh, this is not real ice, of course. This is a rubber. It's actually resin, but it looks like a real ice. If you want to find out what it is and how we made it, go to workshop number 66, or you can watch another video. Here is the link that posted on 40G channel, and I explain how to make this ice. Cold brewed coffee. It's clear, it's nice, it's dark, and I mix it with water and make it coffee. Using Fuji GFX 50S medium format camera with 80mm lens. This lens is about 50mm if you use 35mm camera. A little bit shooting from top. Let's talk about lights. I have 3 lights plus 1 candle. First light is here. You can see that I create a gradient, okay? This is why we need to have a diffuser. This light with sharp angle, touching with one side, okay, it's touching one side, it creates a gradient. Check it out. The reflection on the glass on the left side is what is made by this. If, let's say, I have, by this light, if I have it here, check out what will happen. It will move actually, and it won't be on the, well, you can see the live view, right? It won't be on the edge. I want this light to be on the edge and be a gradient. This way we showing the volume, showing that it's not flat, it's a cylindrical subject. Okay, so now we have one on the edge. One more light. What light? Top light. Let's turn it on. This light shoots from top, okay? It highlights the composition. It highlights everything that is on the table, okay? Then we need one more light. What kind of light? Background light. Background light, we shoot it. I have very soft background light and it's there. You can see the result, okay? The focus is on a glass. It has beautiful, beautiful focus. We actually can adjust it a little bit. Let me do this right now. Double tap on the screen and make it in focus. Of course, we use manual focus. It's super important. I always tell them this, we use manual focus, okay? Now, when we have all this, let's turn on the candle light. You see, it's very, very almost invisible. 1/500th of a second, it's not a good shutter speed to capture continuous light. What I'm doing, I'm shutting down the light that I have in studio and changing the shutter speed to be 4 seconds, okay? Now, all the light in the studio except the laptop light and a little bit of modern light is off. 4 seconds shutter speed, f6.3, ISO 100. I didn't touch anything except shutter. Use remote control, of course, so there is no shakiness in the camera. And we have this image. Now it's time to turn back. Turn everything back to 1/500th of a second. Why? Because I'm going to do motion. I'm going to have our stuff to go inside the glass, okay? And for this, I need to have faster frame rate. So I'm shooting at continuous mode now. Let's do this. Okay, and the last piece is a creamer. Creamer goes on top, then some chocolate goes on top, and shooting fast. It was a fast version of over 1 hour workshop, okay? Plus over 1 hour post-production, because this is actually a composite shot, and there is a reason for this. If you want to watch it, go to Pro Club, and it's there. Join us anytime. You're welcome to be part of Pro Club. We are the best place to learn product photography, okay? See you on the workshop. Subscribe to the channel. Next time, I'll be posting short video from the next workshop as well. Okay? See you. Goodbye. Real Cream, a professional product photographer. Sharp angle, turn it on.